something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby.
Baby girl. There's a storm. I can't believe.
Today is the big day, the Hoover Takeover. I'm so excited. Brittney and Jordan are about to tie the knot in, do their thing. I need a box of tissue because I'm about to be teared all the way up. Tears of joy. And yeah, I'm just excited. I'm just speechless right now.
We're about to really make something happen in this world. Congratulations. Love y'all.
I just want to say congratulations to Brittney and Hoo. Been my best friends for like 6+ years. We going up.
We out here, baby. Look at us.
Hey,
Oh!
love y'all, man. Congratulations, man. Till 2099.
Is that like you hear me? Cuz, you hear me?
I'm gonna have some sense. Congratulations on y'all love, and I wish a lifetime.
And I just want to say congratulations, and I really appreciate y'all for inviting me here because I might find my future wife today. So appreciate y'all.
Praying for the covenant to be strong. Be blessed.
Shout out to Hoover Takeover 2018. We're about to turn up.
Yay! Congratulations, Brittney and Jordan. I love y'all, and I wish y'all nothing but the best.
You only do this once in your lifetime. Where we from? You only do that once in your lifetime, bro.
I'm sorry, baby.
You good.
Yeah, baby. Yes, sir. That's how you do it, bro. Yes, sir. Already.
Like this, right? And not there. Let me ask.
Hold on, wait.
Love you, Brittney.
UPS.
Put it higher.
UPS. Fast delivery. This is from your future to this beautiful bride. Happy wedding day, beautiful.
Okay.
It's gonna be okay, I know. It's like I can't do no wrong. You gon' put this on me. It's gonna be a fast song. Even when you're not here, you get all of my time. Sweeter than a number 9 with a large sunrise. Every nigga in your past hit him with the crossfire. Now I'm shooting to your crib like it was a drive-by. Can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I tried. You stay on my mind. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Hey, you stay on my mind. In the morning, late at night, on the job, baby, stay on my mind. Love the way you do your thing, we could build an empire. I know we could do it. Paparazzi on our head, cover it and inquire. Good timing.
The bride is coming.
I see it clear. My is here. We got each other, let's take it from there. And if I could, I'd love you forever and time. What we've been through, no one else knows. 'Cause all that matters is how far this goes. And it will go until it starts again. And you, I feel like I'm nothing.
I've waited for. This will be the first time anyone has loved me. I'm so glad you found me in time, and I'm so glad that you rectified my mind. This will be an everlasting love for me.
First round draft pick. Ain't no more after this one. First round. Yeah. Lifetime contract.
I'll be giving to you, I'll be serving, 'cause you're so deserving. Hey, you're so deserving. You're so deserving, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, love, 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 love.
Love or lust? Damn. All of us.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. Another world premiere. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still?
Lovely.
If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?
Lovely.
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to.
Lovely.
Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Hey, I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. Hey, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Knock it out twice, I'm with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder lean, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas, I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in, all feeling go out. This feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money.